Hi there. January 4th, 2025. Wow. This is Bob from the Two Old Guys Garage. This will be part 46, segment 1. I'm going to head over to Lou's and we'll do a catch-up over there. And of course I'm going to drive the coupe. Oh, back after a short pause. I'm here at Lou's, and what we're going to do is we're going to actually take that tilt steering column out and we're going to replace it with a new one, because that particular steering column, the knuckle joint that allows the shaft to tip up and down, is loose. There's free play in it, so it's defective. There's no way to adjust it. We did a bunch of research, and it's a bitch to take the damn thing apart, and then when we get it down, there'll be a nylon ball and two cast pieces that we can't do anything about. So what we've done is we've ordered and received a brand new steering tilt column from Summit this time. And coming from Summit, yes, it's more expensive. However, if you have a problem with it, you take it back to Summit and you either get your money back or you get another one, as opposed to the one that we bought that's in there right now. Came online from somebody in the West Coast. So probably, again, hate to say it, lack of Chinese manufacturing quality control. Anyway, I'm going to pause this again and we're ready to pull the column out. I'll be back after a while. back, same short pause. Got the old column out, which is this guy on the left. This is the new column. Looks like the same length. The double D shaft on the new one is a little shorter than that, but that should not be a problem because what we'll do is just slide this down to get the correct length connections for the U-joints. And right now we're going to take this guy off and transfer it over there, and then we'll stick it in. Pausing again. Okay, we're back after a short pause, same day. We've got the new steering column in. Lou was doing the final bolting up and alignment. Some of the things when we took the car for a ride in the last video, we had some clunking noises under the back. We found out that the coilover shocks, that the adjustable rings were not quite tight enough, so they've been tightened up to get the two coilovers from clicking and clacking. And that also raised the back of the car a little bit somewhat because the tab on the housing for the panhard bar was a little too close to the cross frame. So that increased the clearance of that, so that should eliminate at least 3 of the noises that we identified. The other noise, of course, was the obnoxious fuel pump, and we've ordered rubber biscuit mounts to take the fuel pump and isolate it from the frame with these rubber mounts, and those are coming in. You didn't get those rubber mounts yet, Lou?
Huh?
You didn't get the rubber mounts yet?
No, not yet. They're supposed to be every day for the UPS.
Okay. All right, so I think I'm going to head back. And you're all set? Do you need me on anything else?
No, I got to mill these here out.
Yeah, that left one, by the way, seems to fit better than the right one.
Yeah, I'll mill both of them.
Yeah. Okay, all right, so I'll see you later.
Okay, I'll see you later. Thank you much for your help.
Oh, no problem.
And, yeah.
It's got more chrome than the other one.
No, I said that play on that's a piece of shit. Of course, it's not tightened down, so.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good. All right, I'll catch you all later.
Okay. So have a good day.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, same day, back home from Blues. Car's running pretty good. Kind of a little bit problems with the idle on the carburetor, but anyway, one of the things that I've done here in the last week or so was, this is the steering stabilizer I've had on there for the last few years, and it's a 91 Bronco, so it's pretty hefty. This ties on the tie rod, and this ties to a bracket welded to the cross brace that holds the cross transverse spring up. As a backup, not knowing what was going to happen when I removed this, I had ordered this, which is specifically designed for the 32 to 34 Fords. This goes on the tie rod, but then this clamps to the lower hairpin bar or the 4-bar suspension, which puts it in back of the tie rod where this was in front of the tie rod. Now, one of the grateful surprises was that when I took this off and before this came in, I don't seem to have the bump steer problem like I used to. So it's not like I really need this, but it's there as a backup again. What else? Oh, the fact that this was in front of the tie rod and to the spring leaves that space open for a possible panhard bar that would go from where this attached to the spring retainer plate in the center, and instead of attaching to the front of the tie rod, the panhard bar would go in the same space as this and then tie into the left bat wing that connects to the front axle. Still looking at that as a study to see if I'm going to do that or not and what it involves. All right, I think that's about it. See if I got enough to put this together to publish another video. So, signing off. Everybody take care up out there. Thank you for watching. Have a happy new year. Bye-bye.